In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your productivity by 40% using Google Chrome. We'll start in Gmail. Open Chrome and head to your inbox. Create a simple label system so messages land where they belong the moment they arrive. Think categories like clients, finance, content, or urgent. Next, build filters to auto-sort incoming mail into those labels. This keeps your primary inbox clean and focused. Star messages that truly need your attention so they rise to the top. For replies you send often, save them as templates to answer in seconds. When you're done with an email, archive instead of deleting so it stays searchable. For extra speed and safety, enable undo send and turn on keyboard shortcuts in settings. Now move to Google Calendar. Create separate calendars for work, personal, and content, and give each a distinct color so your day is readable at a glance. Add recurring tasks for routines you repeat weekly or monthly, and set reminders, 10 minutes or an hour before, so nothing sneaks up on you. Block focus time on your calendar to protect deep work. Instead of a long to-do list, plan your day by time blocking. It forces realistic priorities and reduces context switching. In Google Drive, set up a clean folder structure with main folders like clients, marketing, admin, and finance. Use a consistent file naming convention, such as date project version, so files are easy to scan. Share entire folders instead of individual files to avoid permission chaos, and assign the right access level, viewer, commenter, or editor. If you collaborate with a team, use shared drives for centralized ownership and fewer lost files. Inside Google Docs, start with templates for proposals, reports, and SOPs to save setup time. Draft and editing, then switch to suggesting to collaborate without overwriting each other's work. Add headings so the outline panel makes long docs navigable, and insert checklists for action items. This setup is perfect for SOP creation, blog writing, contracts, and meeting notes. In Google Sheets, create trackers for content, expenses, and leads. Use basic formulas like sum, IF, and count for quick insights. Add filters to slice data fast, and apply conditional formatting to hide